Hello, students. Now we're going to see the content of this 13th week. So let me share my screen to start this tutorial video. Okay, here we go. Let me share the planning. This is the planning, okay? The 13th week planning goes from the June 8th to June 12th. Okay, now what do we have to do? This is the activity that we have to do. The activity is we have to make a reading to write. After we read, we're going to write. About what? About the article in the page 101. Achieving my goal is the title of this article. Okay? As we can see in here, this is the page number 101. The title of this article is Achieving My Goal. Posted, this is a blog post posted by Jacob in October 15. Okay, we're going to see what it is about. First of all, what is the objective in here? To read a blog about achieving a personal goal and to be able to write your own one action plan to achieve one of your goals. We're going to read this article. It's a blog post about one person is telling us about achieving a personal goal. And the objective is, after doing all these activities, you have to be able to write your own action plan to achieve one of your goals, okay? As we can read in this objective box. Theoretical information. What says in here? In this article, you're going to read about Jacob's goal and how he thinks to get it. Yes? We're going to read about one of Jacob's goals and a set of tips, of advices that Jacobs is telling to us that he thinks to get, or maybe he got this goal that he's telling to all of us. And second point here says, we also are going to learn about the best way of making this kind of article, explaining the steps to achieve this goal. As I said before, we also are going to learn about the best way to make the structure of this kind of articles to be short but complete. Do not miss any part or do not speak too much. Instead of that, we're going to learn how to be concrete and without forgetting the important things that we have to write in our article or blog post in this case. As we can see here, here's the article. Here is the focus on content box, the focus on language box, and the activity that you have to do about writing. Okay? So let's go to the activity. Here says activity number 6 says in here. Look at the picture. What do you think Jacob's goal is? Read his action plan and check. Okay. First of all, we have to check the picture. Only looking at this picture, what do we think Jacob's goal is? You can see this might be Jacob. He is with 3 women and they are holding a Mexican flag. I don't know what it is about, but maybe he wants to travel to Mexico. He wants to travel with, I don't know, maybe are some relatives of him. Let's see. Okay, we can make some predictions but we have to read the whole article and get the answer of this, the concrete answer. Now we're going to read the action plan. What is the action plan? It's a set of advices, of tips that Jacob tell us to get a goal. Maybe he used those tips to got that goal as experience. Okay. Okay. Focus on content. Looking here. What do we have to begin describing? After that, what do we have to write? Some steps at the middle of the article. And finally, what do we have to write in here? At the number 7, says read Jacob's blog post again. Remember the steps from 1 to 7 in the order he will take them. We have to read again this article and write the numbers in the order from 1 to 7 in the order we listen or hear these phrases in here. Okay, so easy. A lot of times we have done that kind of activities. Are in the focus on language box. What says in here? When you write about a personal action plan, you can include some of these phrases. Oh, well, these phrases will help you when you're going to write about your decisions. You have a, I don't know, you have a dream, a goal, and maybe you made a plan and you have to set what you're going to do. So I am determined to doing something. In order to achieve this, I will make all these kind of things because I want to get this goal for me. In addition, plus, in addition of this, I'm going to make this other thing too. I will need help from, I can't do this by myself, just only me. It would be better if I get help from another people, could be my parents or the people who loves me, right? And finally, in the number 8 says, find the phrases in the focus on language box on this Jacob's blog. All these phrases that we have in the focus on language box, we have to look them in this article and maybe we can underline them or highlight them. And finally, we have to make our reading article. As we can see this example from Jacob, now it's our turn to write an article similar and following these advices or tips, okay? What says in here? Plan. Choose a goal you'd like to achieve. Write what the goal is and at least 5 steps toward achieving the goal. Write your personal action plan. Use your notes from above to help you. You can also use Jacob's is in here. Jacob's blog post as a model. I think here's a mistake. Here's Jacob's blog post as a model. And then you can check if you describe clearly about your goal, and you can describe if did you write at least 5 steps toward your goal. Okay? This is the activity. You have the whole explanation here. Looking here, you have to add your file of the reading article about a personal action plan to achieve one of your goals, and finally send all these to me by email until Friday 12th. Okay. Obviously, you have to do the corresponding activity in the Cambridge platform, the 6th one, and you have to do the page number 69 from the workbook, which is this one. I'm going to show you. Page 61. This is the page number 61. You have to do this. And obviously you have to add all of this to your PDF file. Send it to me through email, okay? Well, guys, I guess this is all. We'll see you in class, okay? Good luck and bye-bye.